Over the next 3 years, the oil and gas industry will spend about $500 billion on what's known as the Internet of Things, and yet 95% of all inspections remain pen and paper based. SafeEx is a tablet-based mobility system that replaces pen and paper. SafeEx saves an estimated 30 to 40% on man-hour costs, improves safety, and gives you a full audit trail of all processes. Let me show you how. This system is based on layout drawings. Equipment positions are marked and a coloring scheme indicates equipment that needs attention. Tasks created in an ERP or the SafeEx web system are transferred to the tablet. The inspector scans an RFID chip to commence the inspection process. A picture identifies the equipment. All documentation, diagrams, drawings, certificates and manuals are available on the tablet. The registered data is verified and the type of inspection is chosen. During the inspections, you can describe your findings and take photographs on which you can indicate elements that require attention. The inspector also indicates the condition of the equipment, compliant or otherwise. If your findings can be corrected at hand, a second photograph can be taken, giving a full audit trail of the entire process. When the inspections have been completed, data can be synchronized to the web system and your ERP system. The web system gives you an instant, complete overview of your installation and allows you to print reports. For more information, please contact us at safex@safex.com.